The 991.2 coolant level sensor can be replaced without draining the coolant system. You will be working around the reservoir and hoses, so make sure you are working on a cold vehicle. To access the coolant temperature sensor, you will need to remove the engine trim pieces, red arrows. Next, remove the fan on the left-hand side and set it aside, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks if needed. Use an E10 torque and remove the single screw, red arrow, and move the oil filler plate cap and tube off to the side. If you want more room to work, you can separate the hose from the cap with a set of hose clamp pliers and fully remove the cap. It is possible to reach in and change the sensor at this point, but it is not possible to get a picture of it. I have removed the rear wing, the bumper cover, the Y pipe, and the air box for photographic purposes. The sensor is located on the bottom of the reservoir and indicated by the red arrow. With everything out of the way, you can see the sensor and the connection on the bottom of the reservoir, red arrow. Gently press in on the tab, red arrow, and separate the wiring connection. Lift up on the hose above the sensor and turn the sensor 45 degrees clockwise. You can now pull the sensor out from the reservoir. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.